Welcome back. Today we're introducing a twist on our op-ed segment. Just as is true on the back pages of the nation's newspapers, this op-ed is a forum for informed individuals to make their case on important business issues. It does not represent the views of this program. It does not aim to be balanced. It does aim to change minds. Today's guest is an anesthesiologist by training who this past week spoke out on Capitol Hill in favor of drug reimportation. What makes this newsworthy? He's currently a vice president of marketing at Pfizer, one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies, which strongly opposes the importation of drugs. Dr. Peter Rost, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Maria. For years, you've been told that importation of drugs is unsafe and could also possibly stop development of new drugs. These arguments have been carefully crafted using focus groups to make sure that you believe them. But they're not the truth. The truth is that drugs have been safely traded within Europe for almost 20 years, and that has not stopped any drug company from developing drugs. And the drug companies obviously know this. But the drug companies are right about one thing. Drug reimportation is about safety. It is about the safety of all the Americans who cannot afford to purchase drugs in the US. They don't go to Mexico or Canada to view the scenery. They go because they have to choose between food and drugs. And that is the real safety issue.
Dr. Rost, my question is, how do we know they're safe? It's not like we have the FDA regulating them. And are you saying that these pharmaceutical companies are lying, that they just want us to pay high prices? In other words, they're saying they're not safe just to protect their own profits?
I'm saying that some pharmaceutical companies may have presented selective truth. They know that their own drugs are traded safely within Europe. We should also note that what we have right now is the Wild West. Anyone can go on the internet and get drugs from somewhere they don't know where. We want to stop that. We want to have regulated reimportation so you know where you get your drugs from. And if you get it from a regular pharmacy in Canada, it's safe. If you get it from a regular pharmacy in Europe, it's safe.
All right, Dr. Rost, good to talk to you. Thanks very much for that editorial commentary, Dr. Peter Rost.